continue with our bio lecture, in which we are going to start with the study of the 5 kingdoms given in the 5 kingdom system of classification by R.H. Whittaker. Okay students, already we have got the reference of this 5 kingdom system of classification, which was proposed in the year 1969 by R.H. Whittaker. We have even drawn the cladogram of this 5 kingdom system of classification, isn't it? Okay, now from today onwards, we are going to start with the detailed study of each of these 5 kingdoms included in the 5 kingdom system of classification. You all know what are these 5 kingdoms? So let us go for the revision. First is kingdom Monera, second is kingdom Protista. Both these are unicellular organisms. Then kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. These are multicellular organisms. Okay. These will include unicellular, kingdom Monera, unicellular prokaryote, unicellular eukaryote and multicellular eukaryote. Okay. Are you all getting it? So we are going to start with the detailed study of each of this 5 kingdom system of classification. From the point of view of examination, this is going to be an important part of your biology syllabus. Got it? Okay. Now first we will begin with the study of kingdom Monera. Now I am going to write down on the board the important characteristic features of the organisms that are included in this kingdom Monera. या kingdom Monera मध्ये जे काही सजीव आहेत त्यांची जी वैशिष्ट्यपूर्ण असे characteristic features आहेत, वैशिष्ट्ये आहेत, ती आपण लिहून घेऊया. You are going to copy down in your notebook. That note should be thoroughly prepared by you. As I am writing down the term, I will explain you what it means. You also have to understand that and write down the meaning wherever necessary. Getting it? Okay. So let us start with the study of kingdom Monera. Now this kingdom Monera, if we go for the general characteristics, this is a general question that is asked in your paper. Give the general characteristic features or general characters of a particular kingdom. Okay, so here we will start with the characteristic features of kingdom Monera. Now when we go for the first characteristic feature of kingdom Monera, what is it? These organisms. How are these organisms? These organisms are microscopic. Okay, and unicellular. How are these? Microscopic. How are these? Unicellular. What do you mean by microscopic? We cannot see them by our naked eye. आपल्याला ह्या ऑर्गॅनिझम्सना पाहण्यासाठी सूक्ष्मदर्शीचा म्हणजे मायक्रोस्कोपचाच उपयोग करावा लागतो. देन वी कॅन सी दिस ऑर्गॅनिझम. सो दीज ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आर मायक्रोस्कोपिक, सूक्ष्मदर्शी, and unicellular, made up, their body is made up of only one cell. Okay, as these are microscopic and unicellular, what cell organization do you have? These are prokaryotes. How are these? Prokaryotic. Prokaryotic means what? Nucleus is not well developed. They have primitive nucleus. The nucleus doesn't have its nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm. It will be in the form of just a circular ring, a plasmid, or what is called as a nucleoid. So they have undeveloped nucleus. So these organisms are primitive. Then they are motile or non-motile. Motile means can move from one place to another. Non-motile cannot move. So these organisms, these unicellular organisms can be motile or can be non-motile. Okay, then their genetic material. What is their genetic material? Their genetic material is circular. Okay, circular, that is round, double-stranded, दोन strands असलेले, helical, just like the helix, DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid. So if you see their DNA, you will find their DNA to be like that. Okay? In this form their DNA will be. How many strands are there? 2 strands, and the strands are just wound around each other in a circular manner. So their genetic material is circular, double-stranded, helical DNA. Okay? Now, this DNA, these cells, their body is made up of only one cell. So this body cell lacks means absent, not present, lacks membrane bound cell organelles. What are the cell organelles? In case of eukaryotic cell, there will be many cell organelles like mitochondria, like chloroplast, Golgi bodies. So many cell organelles are there. Endoplasmic reticulum, which have their own membranes. But in prokaryotic cell, in these cells, such membrane-bound organelles are absent. Okay? So they lack membrane-bound cell organelles. Then, these organisms, where do we find them? We will find these organisms living in fact, various types of habitats are found in all types of habitats. Habitats means living places. Habitats are living places. जागा जिथे एखादं living organism राहतो, that is an habitat. So here these organisms which belong to kingdom Monera are found in all habitats. All habitats, when we say, what do we mean by that all habitat? They will be found in hot springs. म्हणजे जे गरम पाण्याचे झरे असतात की नाही, okay, from these, actually boiling hot water is given out. You will find bacteria, you will find monerans in this hot springs. So these are found in hot springs. These are found at ocean bottoms. सागरांच्या, महासागरांच्या तळाशी हे सापडतात. These are found at ocean bottoms. These are found in snow. These are found in volcanic eruptions. So volcano मधला जो लावा बाहेर येतो, त्या volcanic eruption मध्ये सुद्धा kingdom Moneraचे organisms found out होतात. So they are found in all types of habitats. Along with this, they are found on and inside the bodies of other organisms. दुसऱ्या organismsच्या bodies मध्ये सुद्धा बॉडी वर असतील किंवा आतमध्ये हे ऑर्गॅनिझम्स, हे मोनेरन्स सापडतात. ओके, सो दे आर फाउंड इन very different types of habitats. Okay, So they will be found in literally every place here on the earth. Got it? So these are the important characteristic features of kingdom Monera. Record it, write it down. There are some more to be added in it. Okay? So what are the characteristic features? These are microscopic unicellular, prokaryotic, motile or non-motile. They will have circular double-stranded helical DNA as the genetic material. No membrane-bound cell organelles. They are found in all types of habitats. Now we'll go for some other important characteristics. Now these monerans have their cell membrane covered by a cell wall. And this cell wall is made up of a special type of material, and this material is called as peptidoglycan. So 7 characteristic. Cell wall is made up of what? Peptidoglycan. You have to learn this by heart. Cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. This peptidoglycan is also called, what is it called? Murine. What is it called? Murine. Okay. Now this murine, what is it? It is a polymer. What is this murine? It is a polymer of what and what? Sugar. Okay, some specific sugars are present in it. Polymer of sugars and amino acids. Okay, this will be asked as a one-liner question. Okay, then the next important characteristic is their mode of nutrition. What is it? Mode of nutrition. How do they take in their food? Annagrahan kase karta. That is mode of nutrition. Now, kingdom monerans can be photosynthetic. These are photosynthetic. Some of the monerans are photosynthetic. They can prepare their own food by photosynthesis, using light as the source of energy. Chemosynthetic. They can prepare food by using chemical energy. Okay. Saprophytes. Saprophytic will be those organisms which live on dead decaying matter. So these will be saprophytic. Or parasitic, live on or inside the bodies of other animals, harming them. Parasitic. Or these may be symbiotic. What is symbiotic? That is, they are in association with some other organism and helping each other. These will be living. That is a symbiotic association. So they have different modes of nutrition. Maybe photosynthetic, chemosynthetic, saprophytic, parasitic or symbiotic. That is the 8th characteristic of the organisms belonging to kingdom Monera. Okay. Now we'll go for the method of reproduction. How do these organisms reproduce? And we find that these organisms mostly reproduce asexually. How do they reproduce? Asexually, without sexual organisms organs included. So these will reproduce asexually by either binary fissure. one cell dividing into two cells. So either they will be using binary fission as their sexual mode of reproduction, or they will be undergoing budding. What? Budding. So sexual reproduction is the most common method of reproduction, and in this method of reproduction, either they will go for binary fission. What is meant by binary fission? If this is a bacterial cell, okay, say this is a bacterial cell, then this bacterial cell will undergo a constriction, will develop a constriction, okay, and this constriction will deepen and one cell will divide into two cells. We call this as binary fission. What is it called? Binary fission. What is budding? In budding, what happens is a cell develops a bud. Say this is a cell. This cell will develop a bud. Okay, this will be the bud. This process of reproduction, which may remain attached to the parent cell or which may get detached, this process is budding. This is binary fission. So these organisms, the kingdom Monera organisms, mostly will be reproducing asexually by binary fission or what? Budding. Okay. Now the 10th characteristic is in this is these organisms, in fact, if we consider their motility, some of the organisms may have flagella. This flagella will be used for what? Movement. If not, they will remain attached to the substratum or they will not move. Now, if we go for the classification of this organism, so 9th point, that will be a point wherein we will go for differentiating these organisms, and that will be the classification of these organisms. So classification of kingdom Monera. Okay, now this point becomes important, and from the point of view of examination, this separately becomes a long answer type question. So when you are asked to write, give the important characteristic features of kingdom Monera, then out of these points that we have recorded up to 9, you can list any 5-6 points. Okay, remember them. You have to remember all the 9 because any can be asked as a one-liner question, but at least 5 points you should know to write down as the answer to characteristic features of kingdom Monera. Okay, the next part that we are going to do is we are going to see the detailed classification of this kingdom Monera. Okay, students?